here, but we just got this, let me start over. Welcome back to Always Learning. We're in the middle of a remodel here. Kinsley and Pat got a new house. We're tearing out carpet, painting everything, redoing the cabinets. But if your garage door opener sounds like this, it's an easy fix. Okay, so you got a couple options to grease your kind of rollers and grease your track a little bit. This is lubricant, Aero, and it's just low temperature grease. Something you can use to put on your rollers that won't collect a lot of dirt.
You can also use this high viscosity silicone lubricant. It comes in an aerosol can just like this.
And if you don't have them, we're an Amazon affiliate, so we'll put the link in the description below, but we're just gonna grease them up and we'll see how they sound.
Like this part?
Yeah, just spray that roller. No. Oh, your head's in the way.
After a little spray here and a little spray there, now it sounds like this. Now your kids will be able to sneak out at night.